Hey guys, it's Ingrid. Welcome back. I've got a super quick project for you today. This is a 1-layer card. I've got it as a Christmas card. It can literally work for any type of the year. Just pick your color. I'm taking a stencil and I am basically lightly adding some ink over that onto some post-it tape. You can see here I'm just going to quickly cut out the pattern that it is that I am trying to mask. Now I'm really trying to use just one row. So, and you're not going to have to see this all. I am going to jump through this and speed this up, so it's going to go really quick, but I've got great tips along the way. Now here you can see that I cut that. Notice that second triangle is not quite, the peak is not quite right. It's important to lay that over there. Make sure that you're not blocking any of your image. Like that one, I actually cut it off screen, and so now it's good to go. Fold basically half a sheet of cardstock, and that is going to be your card base. Lay your mask down. Now I'm considering the rule of thirds here, so I want to make sure that it's in the bottom third. I also keep in mind where my sentiment's going. Lay my stencil down, and then I'm going to secure my stencil to not just the card, but also the work surface. Notice that that post-it tape is securing my card down. Really crucial that you secure your pieces down, guys. Very important. Basic mistake that everybody makes when using stencils. So now I'm going to cover up that excess spot, and I would actually even recommend adding a little bit more to the top because it's very easy to go over that tape and add a little bit there. You saw that quick little subscribe button. If you're not subscribed to this channel, be sure to hit subscribe so that you get notified about all the cool videos that we put out, and click that notification bell too. Now I'm taking some eucalyptus ink, and this is Catherine Pooler ink. I'm being mindful not to go above that top layer there, and like I said, I'm going to speed this up. Adding a real effortless blend here, and I'm going to add a link so that you can see some other videos on how to blend effortlessly. Use any ink blending tool that you have. Sponges also work great. And I'm just making sure I have a nice little layer there, wiping off all that excess ink. Again, making sure I'm not wiping that onto the white space on the card. Lifting it all up, here's the big reveal, and look at that. And now imagine you can kind of flip your stencil around, add different colors, make it a fun birthday card, maybe rainbow, all sorts of things. I'm adding some icing of the cake ink here. You can see I'm using a Zig Blender pen to go ahead and just make those little hash marks, and those are my little tree trunks. Gonna add a Christmas sentiment from this awesome set. It's called Winter Haven, and it's got some rockin' hand-lettered sentiments. Now, if you really enjoyed this and you want to have other great ideas, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell. This literally is a card you can make in minutes. Now, the possibilities are endless. Think of all the different stencils you have. Where can you apply this partial stenciling technique? Because that's what it is. Totally easy, right? I mean, definitely doable. Here are some more inspiring videos. I hope you enjoy watching something else, and if you get inspired, be sure to tag me on social media. All the links you need are in the section below. Till next time, bye-bye.